saw some woman make a video saying that you can make Fritos out of these. I'm skeptical, but I'm willing. So I cooked the pasta according to the directions on the box. Now I'm gonna hit it with some avocado spray. Then I'm gonna sprinkle some barbecue seasoning on it. This is just some of the pasta because I wanted to put it in a single layer in my silicone thingy. It's gonna go in my air fryer at 400 for 8-ish minutes. The actual honey barbecue twist Fritos that this is a dupe for are 160 calories per serving, 2 grams of protein. This is 190 calories, so not too far off, for 2 ounces, but it's 11 grams of protein, so you get more protein. They're crunchy.
Okay.
You have to get on camera. What do you think? I mean, they're delicious.
These are better than I expected.
But I might just eat Fritos.
It's good.
I mean, we're eating them. If you're looking for high protein Fritos, this would be great. Try it if you have the ingredients. For flavor, I give it a 9 out of 10. For crunch, I give it a 7 out of 10. For being a dupe, 6 out of 10. But that's because this is gonna be more calories, but also more protein. So you decide.